Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your read receipts on TikTok. So if you want to keep your TikTok messages private by disabling the read receipts on your account, this is what you are going to do. First, you can just head to your profile on TikTok and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, then tap on this privacy settings, and if you scroll down there will be this interaction section and you can just select these direct messages options, and you can see the message preferences, and now the read receipts or status is currently on. So my followers or people can see when I read their messages. So if you want to hide it, you can just turn this off by clicking on the circle until it turns to gray like this. So if it's gray, that it means it's already turned off. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.